What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be reviewing the top 5 keyboards featured on the Mechanical Keyboards subreddit this past week to see if we can find anything unique, interesting, or just plain cool from other users in the Reddit community. Make sure you watch until the end of the video to see which one came out on top this week. First this week is a post by user Custom Inches with a blue Mode 65. The keycaps are GMK Umbra, and inside there are some 69-gram Prince switches and a carbon fiber half plate. Personally, I really like this build. Yes, it's a 65% layout, which is pretty common, but the blue case with the black backplate and keycap accents make the board look super good. This is a really good picture showing off the switches and their coiled cable all at the same time. Next up comes from user Jesse Dangerously, and it's a problem I think we've all faced at some point in this hobby. Looks like our user here bought a set of keycaps thinking it would fit their board perfectly, and then everything except that right shift fit properly, leaving something just annoying enough that you can't stop looking at it. This exact problem has happened to me before, and it looks like they learned a valuable lesson today. Obviously, the only solution to this problem is to get another keyboard that actually fits the keycap set. And coming in third this week is a post by user Bo Weep showing off their CW88 with GMK Perestroika on top. The switches are MX clears with an aluminum plate and a gasket mount on the case. Honestly, the color match between the case and the keycaps is spot on, taking this build to an entirely new level. If you're wondering what the post title says, it's Russian for Cruel World. It's nice to see unique builds like this one, so thanks for sharing. Next up comes from user Jai Hydra, who has actually been featured in one of these weekly videos before. The boards you're seeing in the picture are the Sunsetter with IFK Islander, Leaf 65 with GMK Laser, Voice 65 with GMK Waves, Vertigo with GMK Tarot, Space 65 with GMK Mecha 01, and the Bauer 2 with GMK Hammerhead. They also have quite a large switch collection that you can see on the right side, and the IKEA pegboards look super nice here. I think my favorite out of these would be the Sunsetter in the top left, just because the layout with the function keys on the left is definitely the most unique. All the boards look great though, and I gotta respect this user's patience to wait for that many GMK sets. And the top post of this week comes from Ult Fiction showing off the boards they built for some of their friends as gifts for Christmas. The top left is an aluminum ink blue Tofu 65 with PBT whale keycaps. The top right is the aluminum E-white Tofu 60 with ACO 9009 keycaps. The bottom left is the aluminum gray Tofu 65 with some ACO keycaps. And the bottom right is an aluminum black Tofu 60 with ACO Samurai keycaps on top. All the custom cables you see here come from CableMod, and I think they did a great job color matching these boards to make all the builds look really nice. This person is very generous to make all these boards for their friends, and I think they did a great job. Thanks so much for sharing this week. And there you have it. Those are the top 5 builds in the Reddit community for this past week. If you're interested in seeing any of the original posts that I featured today, definitely check out the description where I've linked the Reddit post shown in this week's video. This video is part of a series that I hope to post every week, so leave a comment if there's anything different you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next week with more great builds from the Reddit community.